Flippity.net is another amazing website that uses Google Sheets. Now, if you go to Flippity.net, you will see there are dozens of spreadsheet-based activities for you to edit and modify and use with your students. For example, are you interested in creating flashcards using Google Sheets? Click on the instructions and they will guide you to make a copy of this template, publish your spreadsheet, get your flippity.net link. So the first step would be to make a copy of this template. So I'm going to click make a copy. And now I will edit the side one and side two of all of the cards. So let's say I want the first question to be, what is the capital of Massachusetts? And next I want the answer to be Boston. And notice you can also guide students to a video or an audio recording. And you can also change the card color and the text color. Let's add another question. What is the capital of New Hampshire? And we will type in Concord and we'll keep it yellow. Once you are finished, you are just going to go to File, select Share, and Publish to the web. And you are going to click Publish and say OK. And now you are going to get a link. So I'm just going to click, I'm on a MacBook, so Command C. You might click Control C if you are on a Chromebook. Then if you go back to Flippity, you will see that you will click on Get the Link Here tab, and you'll click on flippity.net to view your flashcards. So let's go down to Get the Link Here, and here's the link to your flashcard. What is the capital of Massachusetts? And when students click, it will have the answer. What is the capital of New Hampshire? So that is how you can create your flashcards. Now, there are so many other things you can do at flippity.net. I love this Flippity quiz show. And you're going to do the same thing. Click on instructions. You're going to modify the template, publish your spreadsheet, and get your Flippity link net, flippity.net link. So here we go. And we'll just modify this template. And how fun. You can have your own quiz show template thanks to Google Sheets and Flippity.